More news coming in. Senior lawyer and former public prosecutor Ujjwal Nikam has entered political fray. Nikam is going to be contesting from Mumbai North Central. Ujjwal Nikam has said BJP's Lok Sabha pick from key Mumbai seat, replacing incumbent Poonam Mahajan. Nikam is to fight against Congress's Varsha Gaikwad, is what we know.
कई सालों तक आपने मुझे हमेशा मुलजिमों के खिलाफ लड़ते हुआ कोर्ट में देखा है, लेकिन एक ऐसी जिम्मेदारी आज भाजपा ने मेरे पे कंधे पे डाली है, जिसके लिए मैं हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी, भाजपा के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष नड्डा जी, इनका बहुत शुक्रगुजार। मेरी कोशिश हमेशा ये रहेगी कि हमारा देश का संविधान, देश का कानून और देश की सुरक्षिता, ये मेरे प्रायोरिटीज रहेंगे। और ये प्रायोरिटीज के लिए मैं ये जरूर करूंगा कि जो हमारे संसद में इसके लिए क्या सवाल उठाए सकते हैं, क्योंकि मैंने इस बंबई में कई ऐसे संगीन मामले चलाए जिससे राष्ट्र हित का एक तार जुड़ाई थी।
Saurabh Vakhtania is getting us more details in that story. Saurabh joins us from Mumbai right now. Saurabh, this is an important and crucial development. Also, perception-wise, Ujjwal Nikam is seen as somebody who's handled the most difficult murder, terrorism cases, including the crucial 26/11 Mumbai terror blast. It's also key messaging in this.
So, well, let me tell you, the sources in the BJP has confirmed me that for a very long time, BJP was looking for a very clean and a celebrity face. I would like to repeat myself that BJP was looking for a very clean and celebrity face. The ground report which the BJP was getting from North Central seat is that Poonam Mahajan was not available for the common people on ground. This is what the report which BJP was getting. Some of the BJP leaders from North Central were actually wanting that Poonam Mahajan should be repeated for the third time as well, but that did not happen. Sources were continuously telling us that Poonam Mahajan will not be getting ticket. It was BJP who approached Ujjwal Nikam a few time back, and let me tell you, there were two important key meetings actually took place. There were top leaders from the Maharashtra who were involved in this particular meeting. They tried to convince Ujjwal Nikam, and somewhere down the line Ujjwal Nikam wanted to enter into politics. Now when he spoke to media, clearly he said that my main focus and priority will be for the constitution and the law. I will be raising important questions which will be pertaining to constitution and law. Very importantly, Poonam Mahajan, who has not been given ticket, who has not been repeated by the BJP, his father case was also handled by Ujjwal Nikam. Ujjwal Nikam, while speaking on Poonam Mahajan, he said that anybody would like to get ticket again. Definitely Poonam Mahajan might be upset, but party has taken a decision and he's been given a ticket. So he will work along with Poonam Mahajan. He has a very good relation with Poonam Mahajan. For Varsha Gaikwad, who is the opponent, he clearly said that he's not going to disrespect or say anything against her. She's a very seasoned and experienced
that's a surprise
politician.
from the BJP, but it has been in fact discussed for a while now, is what Saurabh is telling us. I'm thanking you, Saurabh Vakhtania, for the moment, for getting us those details.